solving the following system of inequalities, we want to make sure that both inequalities are in the form of slope and y-intercept. And you notice we have the first equation, which is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. What we have to do is we have to make sure that this is solved for y. So we have to subtract x, and we have 2y is less than or equal to negative x plus 8. You notice that x minus x cancels, and we have 2y is less than or equal to negative x plus 8. And since we're multiplying, we're going to divide each side by 2. And we have y is less than or equal to negative x over 2 plus 4. The slope is negative 1/2, and the y-intercept is equal to 4. Our other equation, we have y is less than or equal to x plus 4, and we notice that the slope is equal to 1, and the y-intercept is equal to 4. So let's go ahead and graph each of them on the coordinate plane. So we'll start with y is less than or equal to x plus 4. We know that the y-intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that we're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and we repeat the process until we have a line, or a set of points that form a line, right? And since we have an equal sign, we know that it's going to be solid. It won't be a broken line. And since we have y is less than or equal to x plus 4, we're going to shade down. The other equation has a y-intercept of 4, so we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, but the slope is negative 1/2, so we're going to go down 1 over 2. We're going to go down 1 over 2, and we repeat the process until we form a line. And since it's equal, it's going to be a solid line. It won't be broken. And now it says y is less than or equal to negative x over 2 plus 4. So we're going to shade down. And you notice where the two lines intersect is our solution. So this is where our two lines intersect, and this will be the solution. This will be the solution to our system, including the boundary. In this case, the boundary is this right here, highlighted in red.